Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, and today I'm going to be showing off this pretty cool pre-built from ABS Computers that's brand new, telling you why you should care about it, and most importantly, because I know that's what you're here for, how you can win this exact gaming PC. Now, of course, I got to show you guys what's cool and what's new with this pre-built gaming PC first. Specifications, its gaming performance, ease of use and setup, and all of those cool things, but the exact details on how I'll be giving away multiple kinds of this gaming PC will be revealed at some random point in this video. Ooh, by the way, handy little box right here. We'll need this later. So yeah, be on the lookout. At some random point, I'll tell you how you can win this exact PC. And no, it's not gonna be at the very end of the video. It'll be at some point. Right now, we're enjoying 21 days of PC deals with Intel Gamer Days. And as part of Intel Gamer Days, you can even bundle qualifying purchases together with games like Assassin's Creed Shadows. So if you're interested in taking home a pre-built system like the ABS pre-built from this video or any other Intel-powered gaming PC or laptop, then Intel Gamer Days is the perfect time to find the perfect deal. So feel free to go to the link in the description below to learn more about Intel Gamer Days and how to find your next gaming hardware purchase. So far, packaging has been sublime. I like what I see so far. Let's see, what about the front? When we open up the side panel, we'll see how much packaging is inside here. But knowing my experience with ABS pre-builts, they're probably one of the few pre-built companies that emphasize price to performance when it comes to pre-built PCs while not skimping out on quality. Because don't get me wrong, there's a lot of affordable and cheap pre-built PCs out there that have really crappy components. So we're gonna see if that's the case for this ABS pre-built, but from knowing my history with them, they should be pretty all right. All right, here we go. Woo. Let's take a closer look at this. So if you are brand new and you have absolutely no clue on how to set up a gaming PC for the first time, ABS have really dumbed it down for all of you guys for even how to remove the stuff from here, what does what here on the top panel, and where to plug in what on the back side of the PC. So very beginner friendly right here from ABS. But on that note, okay, let's see. I feel like they did a good enough job on packaging. Ooh, okay, that came off well. I actually don't know what case they're using right now. And remember, you have a chance at winning this PC. And this pre-built PC from ABS, this is their Stratos Aqua pre-built PC featuring the Intel Core i5-14400F with an Nvidia RTX 4070 Super. You've got 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory clocked at 6,000 megahertz, what looks to be a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD. And because I'm pretty picky about it, so open up the back side of this PC. Will the giveaway PC have a crappy PSU? That's what we want to know. Actually, I don't know. This uses an ABS branded 750 watt C. Is that 80 plus gold or bronze? I'll check with you guys later. But from the looks of it, I want to say the power supply isn't crappy. Actually, good news, it's 80 plus gold. You got a good power supply in this pre-built. Anyways, ABS, what did you give in here? Let's see, let's open this up. What is inside of here? Could it be instructions? Could it be the thing you need to win this PC? Never mind, it's just cables. So you're given a standard power adapter you'll use from your wall to the back of this power PC through the power supply. We're given extra cables right here, pretty neat and handy. Wi-Fi antennas, let's go ahead and take care of this now because we will be gaming on this PC in a short while. Oh wow, look at that. We're given a special 12-volt power adapter for our Nvidia RTX graphics card that we'll just have on hand in case you want to swap out the power supply for something different. Well, here for the case, it looks like we're given a standard ATX mid tower that comes with 3 case fans here in the front. All of these are RGB, and this is a mesh front, so we are gonna get some fresh airflow going right to the RTX 4070 Super here, which on its own is fairly power efficient. So I think by itself, even with these fans, this should be a very quiet PC, but we'll be putting that to the test in a little bit in the gaming section. We are given a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, which is okay. That will be enough, but I would have liked maybe you to have seen something that is bigger, like a 2 terabyte M.2 SSD, but I can't be too picky about that. And then the i5-14400F, despite what you may think, is actually gonna be enough for this Intel stock cooler. Either way, you won't be able to overclock it, so the temperatures for the CPU in the system, I think, should be pretty stable, considering we're given 4 total case fans in this PC. But if you wanted to upgrade it all, you've got plenty of headroom up here to throw in an aftermarket water cooler if you wanted to upgrade from this i5 at any point if you own this PC, or if you win it, because remember, you can win this PC. All right, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and boot it up, see what it's like getting it started, and then I'll show off its gaming performance and how to win it at some point in the video. All right, we have the ABS Stratos Aqua right here, ready to go. Let's see if it turns on first try. Oh, never mind. There we go. I had the power supply switch on the wrong setting. Now this should work. As you can see right here, we've got our 3 front ARGB fans. There is the little Microsoft Windows spinny circle thing. That turned on quick and it went straight here to the BIOS menu screen. Let's see if it goes to Windows. Ooh, okay. Well done, ABS. This has brought me right to the Windows home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this PC and move on to the next step. Okay. Gone ahead and installed Windows. Now let's go ahead and set up our ABS Stratos Aqua to be ready for gaming. This is a neat little driver utility installer that popped up first thing whenever we got into the Windows desktop. This is what allows us to install all of the necessary drivers for our gaming PC other than graphics card drivers. But so far, I'd say when it comes to setting up this ABS pre-built PC, it's been pretty straightforward. I assume if you win this PC, it's also going to be pretty easy and straightforward to set up as well. But let's go ahead and let this run, and then I'll show off its gaming performance. Okay, we're gonna kick things off with Counter-Strike 2. This is just a really great game to see how high of a frame rate we can get on a competitive first-person shooter on this gaming PC from ABS that you could potentially win. Don't forget that. Once again, this is using the i5 14400F and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Super. So the frame rate should be pretty high at 1440p. As per usual, we got my favorites, which is Deathmatch on CS2, on Dust 2. We are getting 140. Oh, wow. I'll take that. By the way, let me take a quick moment to show you guys the graphics settings we got going on right now. In addition to doing this, we gotta set it to high settings, right? Yeah. All right, 140 FPS at 1440p. Let's see if I can get some good headshots. Oh, nice one. Ooh. Yo, I pick up CS2 and the headshots, they just happen. I can't explain it. Oh, I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Woo! Oh, so close. Okay, well, performance-wise, I have no complaints. Let's move on to the next game. Okay, you know what? You've made it to this point in the video. Let me go ahead and reward you with how you can win this exact gaming PC finally. So if you haven't noticed, this is one of 4 videos covering this ABS pre-built gaming PC. And throughout each of those videos, I've hidden a keyword that pops up or appears at some point in each of those videos, including this one. And in order to enter yourself into the giveaway to win this PC, you'll have to put together those 4 keywords and enter them into the landing page for the giveaway, which can be found at the very bottom of the description of this video. Yes, at the very bottom, not at the top, because I know you guys will check it either way, but at the very bottom. And like I said, this video and the 3 other video shorts I just uploaded include a hidden keyword at some point in the video. So from there, hopefully you'll be able to find those 4 keywords, put them into the giveaway landing page, and hopefully you'll be selected as one of the eligible giveaway winners for this pre-built gaming PC. So now that I've spilled the beans, let's finish out the video with one more game. All right, we're gonna close off the gameplay section of this video with some Palworld gameplay. And I've never played Palworld. We're gonna do it for the first time for real. I assume this is like Minecraft and Pokemon with guns. I'll call this, all right, that's gonna be the name of our island. I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, set up the game, and I'm gonna see what Palworld's like. We're just gonna jump right in. Throw me in. We're gonna figure this out. This game really is like a hodgepodge of a bunch of other games I'm kind of familiar with. Ooh. We can unlock fast travel. Excellent. And we can build, so, all right, so we need to get wood. Okay, so Minecraft. Our Minecraft's gonna come into play. I will say though, visually, ooh, is this what would you call it? A chickpea? I don't wanna fight it. It looks too innocent. I can't harm that. Out of curiosity though, let me go ahead and check the graphics. We have it set it to high, 1440p, no FPS limit, although most of our stuff is set to epic, except for effects and texture. DLSS is set to quality. That all seems pretty good to me. And what are we getting? 120 FPS at 1440p? Totally fine with that. Am I supposed to fight these like adorable looking animals? I don't want to do that. I guess I have to do that. Oh, you know what, Chickpea, you got a red health bar next to your name. I gotta go for it. I'm so sorry. I will say this game is not stressing this PC at all. I want to be peaceful in this game. I don't want to harm these cute little animals, dudes. I can't. That ain't me. Okay. I see where this game is headed, but performance-wise, Palworld, zero issues. We could, in fact, probably crank up the graphics settings and still be very fine with this pre-built gaming PC. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. Let's go ahead and close out the video. All right, and that is my little synopsis on the ABS Stratos Aqua. And if you skipped to this part of the video, assuming I was going to reveal the giveaway details for how you can win this, sorry, you skipped to the wrong point in the video. I recommend you rewatch this video and find out where I spill those details. But other than that, this is a pretty solid pre-built from ABS. The specs are pretty good. The i5 14400F should have no issues in the system for handling most 1440p gaming. Along with that, Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Super, which I recently listed as my favorite Nvidia GPU to get in the year 2024. So in hindsight and objectively, I don't see nothing too wrong with this system. It's got everything that I want for a pre-built gaming PC, as ABS does offer some more competitive pricing versus its competitors. So with that, I want to say thank you to ABS for sending over this pre-built PC for this video. And if you want to check out any more of their systems, then I'll have them linked in the description below, along with Intel Gamer Days, if you want to check that out as well. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the ScatterVolt channel signing out.